how to acquire specialized knowledge. First of all, decide the sort of specialized knowledge you require and the purpose for which it is needed. To a large extent, a goal toward which you are working determine the types of specialized knowledge you need. To acquire the specialized knowledge you do not have no need to execute your plan. Consider the following option. Tap your existing knowledge and experience. Obtain it yourself by taking courses at college, university, or the trade school, reading books, magazine or journals, research online, and asking the question. Buy it by hiring people who have it to work for you, a part or full time or in a contract. Partner with someone who has the knowledge, skill, and the other resources you lack. Barter for it, perhaps by offering a percentage of your profit. Work on a serve for it by volunteering, working as an intern, or working in some capacity of for a business in the industry in which you desire to pursue wealth. The internet has made specialized knowledge readily available. You can find the connect with people online who collectively have all the specialized knowledge you need to execute your plan. Whatever you need someone to research potentially lucrative business opportunities, incorporation your business, patent an idea, create a website and incorporate your business, patent an idea, create a website, design and manufacture a product or provide some other service. You can even connect with business consultant for guidance and insight. Old school networking also work wonder. Connect with entrepreneurial minded individual locally to exchange specialized knowledge and skill. Perhaps collaborate on a business idea. Advice for a student entering college and their parents. If you are a high school student or graduate planning to continue your education at an institution or higher learning, a college or university, decide how you will apply the knowledge you seek before choosing a major or course of study. The faculties of the great universities possess in the aggregate partially every form of general knowledge known to civilization. They impact knowledge, but they rarely teach their students how to organize and use knowledge after they acquire it. This is one of the main reasons why college graduates often have trouble securing gainful employment after they graduate. College placement counselor College placement counselor report that recruiters who come to their campuses are the chiefly interested in hiring students who have majored in specialized fields such as business management, computer science, it is a it AI, which prepare them to move rapidly into a productive job rather than the liberal arts students who have broader upward unspecialized schooling. If you are uncertain of how you play to apply your knowledge you have acquired after you acquire it, consider postponing your entire entry into higher education until you have clear vision of your ultimate goal. In the meantime, you work toward clarifying your vision. Read read this book or perform the exercise to form a vision of what you want or what service or product you want to offer in exchange of money. There is no lower or the upper age limit. The ability to think and grow rich. The exercise in this book are useful for everybody. Take a career aptitude test to identify your strength and weakness and identify the career and skill you are best suited for and interested in. Many high school and colleges provide such a test or similar assessment. However, do not allow such assessment to discourage you from pursuing any goal you truly desire. Explore field those that require college degree and those that do not. Give you imagination the information it needs to formulate thoughts about what is possible. Read as much as possible about fields that interest you. Talk with people currently engaged in the line of work that interest you to gauge currently and future opportunity potential, and start to develop a plan for entering the field you desire. Check out the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupation Outlook Handbook at www.bls.gov.gov/o to find out the projected demand for a job in the wide variety of fields. You can browse occupation by category or by the highest paying, fastest growing or most new job created. The right career or field for you is a blend of what you are good at, what you have a passion for, and the specialized knowledge that is in high demand. If you are not qualified to perform a service, you will not successful. If you have no passion for it, you will not be able to happy. You will not be happy. If it is not in a high demand, opportunities will be limited or pay will be low. Become a lifelong learner. Successful people in all callings never stop acquiring specialized knowledge related to their major purpose, business, or the profession. Those who are not successful usually make the mistake of believing that their education ended upon graduation. However, the most valuable aspect of higher education are the curiosity its nurture, the eagerness to learn, the learning and thinking skill, the ability to read and comprehend and make an educated judgment about the truth and value of the information presented. The person who stops seeking knowledge merely because he has finished school is forever hopelessly doomed to mediocrity regardless of his calling. The ever changing economy the ever-changing economic conditions in our society have made it necessary for thousands of people to find new sources of income. For the majority of these, the solution of their problem may be found only by acquiring specialized knowledge. Many will be forced to change their occupation entirely. When a merchant finds the certain line of merchandise is not selling, he must find another that is demand. Likewise, if you find your services are no longer in a demand or are not selling for a price that meet your financial need or desire, you must find another service to provide that a higher demand and shortest supply. If you need to acquire new specialized knowledge, you can find plenty of educational opportunities, including this. Continuing education courses at community college and universities, degree or certification program at online college and universities, massive open online courses MOOC by education providers such as Coursera.org, edx.org, Lynda.com, and the Udacity. Search for more in the Mind Unleashed website, the mindunleashed.org. On the job training through the internship and the apprenticeship. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge.